In this video, I'll show you how to make hibiscus tea for high blood pressure. If you're suffering from high blood pressure, do watch this video till the end so that you will know how to make hibiscus tea for high blood pressure to help you lower your blood pressure, because hibiscus flower has been shown to lower blood pressure. So I'm using 2 heaped spoons of hibiscus flower powder, 1 spoon of honey, and 2 spoons of lime juice. You can use the hibiscus flower just the way it is, fresh or dried. I just decided to blend mine into powder. So we go ahead and put the hibiscus flower powder into a pot of boiling water, and then you stir this and cook this for up to 5 minutes so that it will extract as much juice as it can. And you can as well leave it for 10 minutes, but I cooked mine for 5 minutes. You check your juice and you put off the fire and allow to cool down, and then you go ahead and sieve it in a strainer. And then after sieving, make sure you use a spoon to extract as much juice as you can. That's why I prefer also using a cloth, like a cotton cloth, so that you can actually squeeze the juice off it very well. After removing the juice from the chaff, you set it aside, and then you add more water to also allow you to cool down and to not have it so strong. Then we go ahead and add our lime juice, and then our honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. Extract, remove as much honey as you can from the plate, like you see me doing. I didn't want any to waste. And then you give this a very good stir, turn it very well so that it will blend all the ingredients together, and then we'll go ahead and put it in our cup ready to drink. It's this simple, really. It's so simple to make, so refreshing, so healthy. You can take this juice 2 times a day if you have high blood pressure. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like and share.